Okay, so the first of all, the film is attached by those Velcro. As long as it's touching here, and then this side touching here, it should be attached and then not gonna move around. So there are two for each corner, two here, and two here, and then two there. And then now we just move it to the car. Make sure the logo, this one, the logo right here, the logo is towards the front. Okay, let's go. So when you put it up, you make sure the clip is like that, and then just turn it around like this, and just insert it. Do this for all four sides and it should work. Usually one each should be good enough. Just like that, and then the back as well. Yeah, so and then one more on the other side, so that should be good enough.